So probably one of the most common questions we get about our Sony 7000 bundle is, I can't get it to connect to my phone, or it won't charge my phone, or Apple CarPlay won't launch, or Android Auto won't launch. And really all of that, in most cases, comes back to the cable that you're using. So on our website, we say, use a factory cable. And what we mean by that is use the cable that came with your phone, or one exactly like that. So if you have an Apple phone, make sure it's a Lightning cable. If you have a Samsung device, that's an Android device, make sure you have a Samsung cable that came with it. Do not get a aftermarket cable from Amazon or the grocery store or something like that, because sometimes those aren't data cables, they're just charging cables. Down the line, if you've had this installed for, say, 3-6 months and you start to have connectivity issues, it's usually because perhaps the cable's going bad. So it's always a good idea first to check your cable, swap it out for a different cable, see if you have connection. Also, the old age restart your phone plays a huge role in connectivity. So for those of us that don't restart our phones very much, they do need to be restarted every once in a while. So before you panic, swap the cable, restart your phone. That solves 99% of connectivity issues with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. If you want other tips and tricks, feel free to visit us on the web at www.fatheadcycles.com. Check out our blog, our videos page. We're here to serve you.